opposition Congress in the state has gone all out against the ruling MDA coalition, accusing it pushing the state towards chaos and corruption. Terming the government as the most incompetent so far to rule the state, Sangma once again sought to corner the NPP-led coalition on the issue of alleged illegal coal mining and transport. The former chief minister alleged that the transportation of coal has turned into a vicious cycle rolling under government patronage.
What is happening in district council? They're crying for resources. Jaintia is autonomous district council. Garo is autonomous district council. These royalty shares are supposed to take care of the resources need of these autonomous district councils. They are destroying our autonomous district councils. They're destroying our state. I am telling every citizen of this state, come and stand in the national highway and find out how many trucks are going with 9 metric ton chalan and how many chalans are being sealed. Who is weighing it? Is there weightman going on? There was a guideline issued by Honorable NGT as to how the coal should be transported. That guideline is not being followed. Officers who are responsible to implement these guidelines are the Chief Secretary and the DGP. How much of money that should have come to government exchequer has been ultimately siphoned off through this modus operandi. Now, it is not possible for one individual to do it. There is a complete machinery which is involved. That's why you see rampant transfer, repeated transfer and posting of officers. And I would like to warn these officers, if they go on acting as an agent of these corrupt politicians, because we are not going to allow state to be looted, we will take recourse to legal action. If anybody can go and prove that this 32,000 coal has not been lifted and they're still there, I will quit politics.
Well, Sangma also accused the government machinery of being totally corrupt and pushing the state towards lawlessness.
Now, lawlessness, the allegations about this illegal transportation, illegal mining, loss of revenue, is anybody responding from government? Nobody. They think that they can get away. And most of the government officers are being dictated to do certain things. I have seen also one more news article, carried yesterday, today's news article. You get 50,000 of metric ton of coal by constructing a road. Interesting. As I have said, they have scripted the whole modus operandi of engaging everybody in illegalities. That means there is a complete misuse of the government machinery. Therefore, by default, there is a breakdown of complete government machinery.